The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. What do you know me now? Good man, good man. Me no want to be no good man to you, because you love man. I know you tell me, so I change my thing and then hold me. I sorry, I apologize, and I beg a black. Me now come here and play again. Me hungry, and I vote and I get no money yesterday. We go back.
That's why you need to go vote.
I don't know neither. Me get no money, but I get money.
Skirt.
I want that. You want to lock your pen now? Because fuck with that, you know? And I tell the supervisor, say, bossy, not now, go on, bossy. They come and take a look one side.
Viewers, subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is seriousskilla. I am here again. Now, in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are out on social media, and these videos, they are getting a buzz on social media. You know, these videos are being talked about on social media, you know, and I'm going to tell you according to what had been said about these pieces of videos on social media. All right, so please bear in mind that some of these informations about these videos might not be accurate. All right. Now, I'm presenting these videos to you so that you can have a look at these videos. You can also tell me what you think, and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. All right. Now, I just presented to you a video that's out on social media where it is said that a JLP supporter got caught stealing. Yeah, according to what had been said on social media, it is said that a JLP supporter got caught stealing. And if you listen to the video, you might be able to determine if this person actually got caught stealing. You see what I'm saying to you? Viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, it seems as if this person admitted to stealing, you know, but that's just my point of view. You can let me know what you think, all right? Now, anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, the next video I'm going to present to you is going to show Usain Bolt. Yes, Usain Bolt. And there's reports out there where it is said that Usain Bolt tested positive for COVID-19. You see me? Now, there's also reports out there that gave me the understanding that the health minister, who is Christopher Tufton, confirmed that Usain Bolt tested positive for the COVID-19. But before Christopher Tufton confirmed that Usain Bolt's test results came back positive, saying that he had the COVID-19, Usain Bolt did a video, and that video is out on social media, you know, and this video shows Usain Bolt talking about a test he did and other things as well. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Good morning, everybody. Just waking up, and like everybody has checked social media, saw that social media saying I'm confirmed to have COVID-19. I did a test on Saturday to leave because I have work, trying to be responsible, so I'm gonna stay in and stay from my friends, and also having no symptoms, so going to quarantine myself and wait on the confirmation to see what is the protocol and how should I go about quarantining myself from the Ministry of Health. So until then, talk to all my friends and tell them that if they come in contact with me, you should just to be safe, quarantine by yourself, and just to take it easy, and just to make people know, be safe out there. All right, cool.
You know, I really and truly respect Usain Bolt for really and truly coming out saying it as it is. So may I say, yeah, and the responsibility, you know, the responsibility that he's showing, you know, like Usain Bolt is making it clear that he's going to quarantine himself. You see me? Big up and respect to Usain Bolt, you know. All right, well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, the next video I'm going to show you is going to show a person who implied that he is a farmer. And this is not the first video I see with this person. You see what I'm saying to you? Some time ago, this person did videos out there where, you know, this person said some things that gave me the understanding that this person is practically bragging, saying that because Jamaica went on a lockdown or so forth, farmers are now important because farmers are the ones bringing in the food that people can eat, and basically saying that selectors they are not making any money and other things as well, isn't it? Well, anyways, it had been announced that certain restrictions had been put in place again because of the whole COVID-19 on the rise in the country of Jamaica again. And here is a video showing of the same person who implied that he is a farmer saying some things again. Take a look, listen and observe.
Farmer man, back at it again. Them inside again. All a little one when you DJ bank when I pop himself jelly about blood clot place open back again. And them a make enough money. You're up in a bankruptcy now, place for that back with your little bit of money. Listen me man, you're going to never tell us the first laugh and a laugh. Don't hype kind of gone away. Hold your shell and stay in your shell. See there? We're back inside again. So what you gonna say? But the farmer will always out working on the farm and make a whole heap of money. See there? Only that run out there again and I work about time and still now make the money. While the farmer plans skeleton time and I make a whole heap of money. Me see some boy run out with all them baby mother drama. But the farmer still a cut plant and banana dead.
Viewers, subscribers, and I understand the humor this person is coming with. You see what I'm saying to you? Oh, and the reason why I said that this person implied that he's a farmer, I do not know this person. I do not have any confirmed information about this person to determine if this person is actually a real farmer or not. So therefore, I'm going to tell you like it is. So may I say, yeah, but big up and respect to this person, and I'm just going to move on to another video right about now. Alright? Now the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show something that happened at the Kingston wharf that is within the country of Jamaica. Yeah, according to what had been said about it on social media is that this video shows when the cranes at the wharf hit each other. You understand? Now, viewers and subscribers, there might be more information about this thing, so I say, and by looking at this video, you might get a better understanding. All right? Oh yeah, and for those who might not like to see scary videos or so forth, because this video might be a little scary, yeah, viewer discretion is advised. All right? Take a look, listen, and observe.
Oh, God. I can't breathe a push ready. Yeah! Copyright! Copyright! Boom! Copyright! Shit! Yo! Yo! Run, boy! Yo!
And a real doing of viewers and subscribers, working at the wharf is not as simple as some persons might think, With all of those containers being lifted by cranes, and then you have forklifts, lifting these containers and all these things. You see me, I say, working at the wharf is dangerous, You see me? I work out at the wharf before, viewers and subscribers, so I can tell you, you understand? You see me, it's dangerous. You understand? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you see, I'm going to move on to another video right about now. And this video that I'm going to present to you, according to what I've been said about it on social media, is that this video shows a person who is upset because of some things that happened within a place that is known as Gregory Park, that is within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I do not have a lot of information about this video, but for some reason, this video is being talked about on social media. You see me? Well, anyways, by presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, maybe you can look at this video and maybe you can have a better understanding as to, what had happened and what this person is talking about, and you can also tell me what you think. And, let me understand as well. You see me I say? Yeah. So anyways, viewers and subscribers, yeah, I'm going to show you the video right about now. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Residents of Gregor Park, I'm appealing to you. Do not allow outsiders to turn you against your family members. Do not allow outsiders to turn you against your own community. These are roads that we have built and developed in the last 4 years. The Christian Garden, Gregor Park main road right here, there was no road here. It was potholes and shambles. We'd have bus accidents right here. And look what they've done. Did they face your own community for what? For what? On nomination day? On nomination day to intimidate our supporters? That's how you want to win an election, by intimidation? We will not be deterred. I am right here at 2 a.m. and I'm not afraid of any single one of you. I'm going to stand with the residents of Gregor Park. I am going to stand with my supporters whose businesses you've burnt down. We will not stop. We've worked too hard to bring peace, development, and prosperity right here in Gregor Park. We will not be afraid of you all. We're going to march tomorrow as a proud people, as a family, because that's what East Central is. And we're not going to allow any outsiders to come in and intimidate us. No, 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 no. We've done the work. We've done the work. Go back to where you're coming from and stop this kind of loose behavior. Ridiculous, man. Hoodlums and cowards, the lot of you.
Viewers and subscribers, this person seems to be upset about some things that happened within the place that is known as Gregor Park, that is within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Yeah, I don't really have the full understanding about some of the things that this person is talking about in this video. You see me? But you know, I get the understanding that some of the things that this person has said in this video seems to be politically related. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Really and truly, me not follow politics, you know. As a matter of fact, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave it right here. You see what I say? Yeah. So let me know what you think about this video that I just presented to you, you know, and you can let me know what you think about the other videos that I presented to you. I bring these videos to you so that you can have a look at these videos and to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. All right. Yes, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.